Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for Shopify stores, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in myip.ms right here. So this is what we'll be doing, and this would be our platform in order for us to find Shopify stores. But of course, the traditional way would be going into Google and then just typing out the store name if you have some specific stores in mind. But if you want to browse Shopify stores, then this is the perfect website for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a hosting company right here. So we're gonna provide the IP of Shopify right here. So we're just gonna provide this one. So it would be 23. Actually, let's just type it right here: 23.227.38.0, and type or press enter, just like that. And then we would be prompted right here. So this IP owner right here, as you can see, is Shopify Incorporated right here. So you can make sure that it is Shopify itself. So from here, to view the Shopify stores, you need to click on this button right here, other sites on IP. Click on that right there, and then you would be prompted right here to all of the Shopify stores right here, including the one that is currently running right here, the website's IP address change history, and so on. And then you have your not working websites or stores that is not currently in service anymore, and so on right here. You have a lot of informations in this website on the Shopify stores. And you also have the ranking right here on the world site popular ranking, which is also very helpful. And yeah, you can have the total of results right here. This is 700 results right here, 700,000 results right there. So as for example, right here, you can also go to the website. So for example, godzi.com. I think this one is from Iman right here. So I'm just going to go and copy this one. And then I'm going to go in a new tab and paste that so I can go to the store right here. So as you can see right here, this is how it would look like right here. So yeah, and you can also click on the store itself. For example, this one right here, I'm gonna click on that, and then you can see more of that info right here. So you can see this one right here. You would have the IP now, IP before, and so on right here on that specific store right here. But actually, let's go and dive deeper into that. So let's just use a third-party program. So we can click on copy, and then we can paste this one again right here. Click on that. And then once you are in that website, then you can use a browser extension called Wapalizer. So we can click on our extension right here. This is Wapalizer, and then you can see that its e-commerce is Shopify. It's using Shopify, and you have a bunch of informations right here that you have available by using third-party programs. So you can just not use Wapalizer. You can use other programs right here, and you can extract information right here using those programs, and you can click on more info. But as you can see, it would require me to pay for a subscription right here in order for me to dig more info about the Shopify store. But if you're looking to finding the email of the CEO right here, or then you can just go into Google. Actually, then it's very simple. All you have to do is go and get the name of the store, which is Fashion Nova. So you can go for Fashion Nova CEO email. Maybe you can go for LinkedIn because most of them are in LinkedIn. Then as you can see, we now have this result. So we can go click on that right here, and then let's just close this. And then as you can see, this is from Fashion Nova right here, and this is Richard. So let's just go and let this load. And as you can see, he is the founder and CEO of Fashion Nova. So just like that, you now have successfully digged up the information of the CEO right here, and you can find more of its email. You can message the CEO itself right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.